Hey Dan, and welcome to my blog, and this is Altitude. This is my Part 107 Recert, shall I say, Recert test. Test Eve. I will be taking the test tomorrow at noon, and I've been studying up using the remotepilot101.com. 2 years went by in a hurry. So, there's seven sections that I've been studying, and no matter which, there's two practice tests. The one that he gave me was 40 questions, and I got an 89 on it. Then I did a FAA pre-test that's only 20 questions, and I got a 75 on that. So I think I'm and I've gone back through the lessons again tonight, and I think I'm pretty gonna do pretty good on it. When I did my first test, I got a 72, I think. Yeah, 70. I believe I passed it with a 72. And that was 60 questions on that one. And being the first time I took it, you don't know exactly what you're studying for. You have no idea what there was a bunch of companies out there, putting their stuff out there to come in. The one I used was, I went with the Federal Drone Registration Company, and that was $25 a month, and it just keeps going till you get done. Well, because of everything going on with me and continuous going, doing what I'm doing, trying to study and then doing other things, I went about 6 months. So at $25 a month, this time I went with the Remote Pilot 101.com. I had looked at them back when, and they wanted $300. It was guaranteed, but I didn't have $300 up front to take that. So I was watching my mentor. I want to say he's mentor because he's been flying a lot longer than I have, and he's been doing what he's doing. Ken Herron, and he was recommending Remote Pilot 101, and he was also, you click on his link, he was giving you a discount. Well, the discount is for beginners. There was no discount for the recur lessons, but either way, they're guaranteeing that you'll pass the test. So that's where I'm at. So this is my test Eve. I take it tomorrow at noon. Now, real important, make sure when you sign up, you're going to get all these instructions, and you better be there, because if you're not, and you don't make it for some reason, you lose your 160, 99 for the test, and then $60 for the test site, I believe. Look again, but there you go. We'll see how well I do, and then course, if I pass it, then I can give a recommendation to remotepilot101.com, and technically I can give a recommendation to the federal drone registration company, because they got me through the first test. So it's kind of up to you which way you want to go, paying $25 a month, or paying $149. I'll see if I can get you a discount for remotepilot101.com as well. Just click on the link. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, definitely subscribe. Catch you on the next altitude.